What's up, guys? I want to tell you something. Yeah, I'm in Roblox, but this is not just a random video. I just want you guys to comment down below what is your username, and you guys can find me. I have two of my accounts. Two is Darky because my sister named me Darky, and if you click here, if you click this part, you can see this request, and you can find me. You can search by you can find me, like type cat la la la, and if you want to find Darky, you can find her. Wait. I think I already have her. Yeah. Comment down below what is your account because I want to find you guys. And yeah, that's it. I'm not ending the video because I don't want you guys to be sad that I'm ending the video so quickly. So I'm just going to find my sister. Yeah. There's tons of Wendy's. I'm not joking. Look at this, guys. You can find me. I tell you. You can find me. I found my sister, and let me show you guys my Darky. Let me show you guys. Darky cat. Search. And there I am. You are friends. And yeah, this is me and Darky Wolf Girl. Darky Wolf Girl are friends. Alright? Because I used them to be Wolf. Darky Wolf. Just type Darky Wolf and you can find me. This is me, Darky Wolf Girl. Yep. And I'm just telling you how to find me. And comment down below what your guys' username, and I'll find you guys. Yeah. My sister hates her mom, and yeah. I want one too because I got a camera. I want that camera too. You want a camera? I'm Jelly. I want that camera too. Yeah. So yeah, I want one too. Ah! She's crying. I hate my mom. I hate my bro too. Sis, I'm obsessed and angry. I'm upset and angry. My bro and mom are mean. Why? I wish you were actually my sister, so you would not. Guys, what is that noise? Yell dad and get her. What is that noise? What is that noise? That's it for the video. Like and subscribe. I'm gonna go check it out. Bye.